USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. New people, hi, subscribe, like and share. And if you're old to the channel and still you have not subscribed, then why are you still here? If you can't subscribe and like and you watch my videos every week, what's the point? Get out, okay? So you go below my video, click on this link called Swing Like a Pro, come to this page right here where you can go and watch these videos, and then you can join the program if you want to. You can book consultation with me, and you can use this link to book consultation. You can speak with me one-to-one, and you can join free Telegram all the time. So go and join my free Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. We are bullish. So weekly, we are above the EMA. Daily, what we got? Daily, we are above the EMA. 4 hours, well, we are above the EMA. Okay, there's nothing to do here. No rocket science. Price is above the EMA in all time frames. Look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour. That's it. Nobody's gonna give you entry and exit precise for free. But the basic logic is quite clear. The price is above the EMA in all the time frames, or in all the higher time frames, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Price is above. Only look for longs in USDJPY. If you want precise entry, exit, and everything, then join this program, subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.